Amazon has become so busy that they have had to limit the amount of stock that we as entrepreneurs put into the Amazon warehouses. But what happens if you are coming up to an important sales date for you and your business? Well, if you don't know what you're doing, it can be really, really disastrous. It can mean you can't put enough stock into the Amazon warehouses to deal with the demand that your business creates. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool hack to deal with a situation like that. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm teaching you ways to expand and grow your business on Amazon here in Australia or right around the world, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Really, really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and also considering subscribing to my YouTube channel because we post brand new videos each and every day. Also, if you've got any questions or anything you want to know, just post in the comments below and I'll sure to get them for you too. All right, with that being said, let's get into it. Neil, how does drip feed to Amazon 3PL work? Well, and how do I create shipments? Blah, blah, blah. Is it the same way when I create shipments from China, and who schedules it? So basically the question is, how does drip feed to Amazon work? So you're probably thinking, what the hell is that? Well, drip feed to Amazon is where we host or store all of our products in a warehouse in the target country, America, Australia, wherever it may be. And there's a couple of good reasons why you might want to do that. So you've got some product in FBA, and then you have the other part of your product in a warehouse somewhere hopefully close by. So why would you want to do that? Let's start with that. Well, I'll give you the hacker reason first. So here's a good hacker reason to do that. Here's something we were looking at earlier. So here it says only 15 left in stock, order soon. That's pretty compelling social proof to do something like that. So you only get that when you've got a certain number of items left in your stock. As you can see, it's in red. It really does evoke a sense of urgency. Clearly this is a good product because people are buying it because they've not got many left. And so it's social proof and urgency, okay? Two big influencing factors. So that is one good reason to do it. I'm going to explain how to do it in a second. And the second reason to do it is because of inventory performance and also because of restock limits. So you guys would know that Amazon, in its wisdom, and also because it's grown so incredibly quickly, is not able to cope with the volume of stock that we want to put into FBA. So my own business, some of my own SKUs, my own product lines, I've got a limit on the number I can put into FBA, which is a pain in the arse, particularly around Christmas and coming up to Prime and shit like that. And so this is a way around that. So that's why we would use it. Now, how the hell do we do it? So it's pretty easy in principle. Let's suppose we're going to sell on Amazon.com. Well, you will look for a warehouse where you can send part of your shipment from China, for instance, to. So you've got your shipment, and what you'll do is you send the whole thing to the warehouse. Okay, so it doesn't go to FBA, all goes to the warehouse. And then from the warehouse, you drip feed it into FBA, hence the word term drip feeding it in. Okay, so when it comes to your ordering and doing your initial shipment plan, you don't send it to FBA, you send it to a warehouse. I'll give you some warehouse in just a second. And then as you are getting through your stock, you send new stock to FBA. And you can do that in such a way that you always have that only 15 left in stock, order soon thing going on. You've always got that there for you as well. So that's one way you can kind of hack it, all right? So now you've probably got the question, where the hell do we send it? So this is a really, really good place. Ooh, I like your beautiful, beautiful accent. This is a really good place. Warehouse Republic. That's one place you can go to. They're in the States. Or USA Fill, also in the States. or in Australia, you've got PickPack. They'll do it for you. PickPack, both with K's. The other place you could send it to is Richard Aston at FBA Prep Australia. I think it's Prep Australia. I don't think it's Prep Services, but we're just about to find out. And is it .com? I don't friggin' know. Anyway, it's FBA Prep Services Australia is the complete name for it. I just cleared all my cookies this morning, so none of my things come up, of course. Boom, there we go. FBA Prep Services Australia.com, okay? So Richard's one of the AOE members. He'll be able to help you with that. And then who schedules it? You do that. You just do a normal shipping plan. Pretty easy to do. You just set up a shipment to come from your warehouse into FBA warehouses on an as-needs basis. That's a really, really cool thing to do, because as Amazon grows and they aren't able to keep up with their warehousing, you'll quickly find that you'll want to put more stuff into the warehouse than you actually are physically able to do. You get storage limits. Like, these storage limits are pretty good, but especially when you're a new seller, you've got very low storage limits. Hello there, this is Neil Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and that was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got 2,500 members and growing right here in Australia. We're actually the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you next time. Bye.